I have a message for Nuer people. So here I want to share with you this. And my message goes direct to the Nuer who live in Gambela and those people who are Gambelian or those people who live in Ethiopia. So this is what I want to tell you. Your enemy got planned, and that plan is to destroy you. So, though many times we talk about peace, unity, love, and and development in Gambela, I've never seen anyone from Anywak people, talking about peace or love or development in Gambela. None of the Anywak people are talking about that. Whenever you go and watch uh, whatever they are doing, there everything is relating to war, killing, torturing people. Okay, whatever they are saying, it couldn't bring any peace in Gambela in general, you know, because thing relating to insulting, thing relating to calling people land grabbing, calling people refugees all the time, this thing cannot bring any peace. The Nuer people, or we Nuer people, been trying so hard, especially youth. I'm one of the youth who like Gambela to have peace. For many years we've been trying to bring the community of Gambela together, but we never get any positive attitude from Anyak. Their youth, their leaders or elders, they are not willing to cooperate with Nuer in whatever they thought of first. They never wanted. They always hide themselves. You cannot see them in media, especially those who are working in Gambela government. Especially, I'm a worker. I'm a teacher there, so they never even they never talk on social media. We are the one talking, but they don't. Whenever a problem occur in Gambela, there's nowhere for them to be seen. They are not on social media. They are not talking. They are not writing anything. But we are the one who always talk about peace. Let's have unity. This what do you think in Gambela? It meant that there will not be any peace there, because if youth Anuag youth do not want to speak about unity or love, they're simply calling us land grabbing, land grabbers. They're calling us that we are instigators, like we starting. They're calling us refugee. Do you think that there will be peace there? I don't think so. That couldn't be, because they are seeing us as a threat. But they have their secret inside them. They have that hatred that they do not want, to let out. But they always let it out when they are speaking secretly with their people, because sometimes they have meetings, they have different things they are doing behind there, but we don't know. Whenever they done something to us, we go direct to live video and we talk about it, how we can stop this. But they never wanted to bring peace in Gambela. So the plan for Anuak people now, I realize that they simply want us not to have future. Especially we the youth who live in Gambela, because imagine, I can say that 7% or 80% of Nur youth, they do not have job in Gambela, and the people that are giving job, they are Anuak. So all the position, the strong position that can put youth forward, all this position belong to them. Whenever we talk to them, they don't tell us. They don't respond. So when we go on live video, like talking about peace or unity or whatever happened to our people there, so you go to the office, they will dictate you that you are racist, you are like this, and they don't say anything. This is how a person who is very dangerous moved. So they don't want to rebuild their dead side. So this is what we are going through in Gambela, and I want to say this to Nuer people living in Gambela. Okay, we have to speak out. We need to have unity. That unity, it will break Anuak. It will bring Anywak out of their hidden. Their agenda is to break us. It's to break our leaders. It's to break us you so that we will not have a future in Gambella. Imagine if you see the Gambella Street. The only place that they have built is Openo, not this side of Nur or New Land. They say it, this road going to the Gambella University. If you've seen it, it is very dirty. They did not even plant good tree there, you know. So what is this? If you also seen, there's no way, there's nothing good there in Nur Land. There's nothing good. But if you go to their side, everything is perfect. They arrange everything so they do not have any problem because they know what they are doing. So you guys should be careful.